Very good, my friends. In today's video I'm going to review this new microphone that I just bought on Wallapop for 30 euros. It's the Samson C01U. Let's take a look to the microphone. As you can see, I mounted as I could, the best as I could, and I'm going to record the whole video with this microphone, and we are going to do the review of one CSGO round. Okay, and at the end of the video I will make a comparison between different devices that I have. One microphone that I have from Logitech, the mobile phone, and the 4K Chinese camera. So let's see if this microphone worth. So let's start! Hiding behind the car like a camper, pathetic. One is coming from short. I see a head in city. Boom! Headshot. Shit! AVP coming from short. Phew! Shit! I show my head and he kills me. Time to die! Whoa! No way, so lucky. Fuck, the bomb. I'm sure he window with the AVP. No this time. He's playing time. Fast. Where are you? I got something for you. Die. Oh, headshot. No time. Fuck. Defuse. Yeah! Fuck yeah! AK for me. Nice. Okay, to put and test the different devices, what I'm going to do is to tell a toggle twister. Here we start with the Samson C01U. Seashells by the seashore. Okay, now I'm going to record the sound with the mobile phone. So, seashells by the seashore. Now I'm going to try this creative microphone that came with the webcam. So, seashells by the seashore. Now I'm going to use the Sony headset 770. So let's go. Seashells by the seashore. Okay, I really think that microphone really worth these 30 euros that I had to spend. So thank you for watching and see you in next video.